out where I want to locate the rear wheels for the right look. When they're really bobbed off and way up here, I don't really like that. I want a little bit of room between the cab and the wheels, but I think right now I have too much. It's a lot of space to try to do something with to make everything fall together and look right. I'm gonna try to bring the axle forward and look at it, see what I think then. Eventually we're gonna chop the cab down, so it's gonna lengthen this thing out a little bit. I think I'm liking it right about there. Not too short, not too long. So we've got everything sort of mocked up. We're going to be putting a triangulated 4-link in here. We're going to use the leaf spring mounts off the donor truck, which that can move anywhere we need to move here. We're lining up with our perch. We're going to go under the axle, create some brackets. It'll go from there to here. And then we got to put the top triangulated link from the top of the housing to the frame. So we need to build a truss to go across the top of the chunk to provide a place to mount the top links to. Once we get the brackets built on top of the axle and on the bottom of the axle, then we'll be able to set this back up here, put our links in, and do our final layout before welding that in place. Really just getting a starting point. So this is going to tell me where to locate the hole for the bolt in the back for the bracket that hangs under the axle if I want this link parallel, which is a really good starting point. So I was trying to get this thing up in the air where I could slide a table under it. I got a big steel table that I could slide under it and do everything up on the table so it's not on the ground. But it's pretty heavy. My tractor won't lift it. Very unstable on the cherry pickers, so we're gonna have to do it down here on earth. Oh well. That's the idea. We'll eventually have some brackets up here with the links set in, one on each side. We'll weld everything in, we'll probably brace it a little more, and that'll be the top. Well, that's it. That's about as far as we're gonna go today. We still gotta build our bottom links, and we gotta get our links made. We don't have our heim joints yet to make our links. When we get that, we'll continue on. Till next time, we'll see y'all. Thanks for watching. That's the plan.